Hi everybody. I hope you can hear me over the Sesame Street going in the background. My little one's up. My husband is at, he just actually left a little bit ago. He's going to pick up our eldest daughter, so I'm hoping you can hear me and that Elmo's not too loud in the background. Today I have got a super simple chicken salad. I mean, so easy. In this bowl, I have one chicken breast that I had roasted. It was leftovers from, I think, Friday or Saturday night. I had done just roast chicken. I had a whole bunch of stuff, I think it was a whole chicken that had been cut up for a fryer, but we don't fry chicken, we roast it, bake it in the oven. So this was the one chicken breast that was left over. I just peeled it off the bone and took the skin off and took the meat and just pulled it apart and shredded it. So we're gonna start, I think this is a brand new thing of mayonnaise, isn't it? It is. Okay, so we're gonna start with mayonnaise, and honestly, I just eyeball this recipe. It's probably a good, I would say, half cup of mayonnaise in there. Mix everybody together. Alright, I'm going to add, I have got the Italian herb blend of the Stir in the Gourmet Garden. You could use a dry blend. I just like the fresh ones because they taste better. Like, I don't have to let it sit and let the flavors marry. They do well right away. I'm going with kind of an Italian sort of herb flavor here. A little squirt of mustard, probably 2 teaspoons worth. A sprinkle of garlic powder. Now, I don't like chunks of onions and things, but I like the flavor of onions, so I'm going to use a little bit of onion powder too. If you like chicken salad with that crunch in it, I'm kind of a texture person. I don't like, when I've got something that's creamy, I don't necessarily like crunchy things in it. So I'm just using onion powder, but you could absolutely chop up, quarter of an onion, dice that up and throw that in here. That would be perfectly fine. Next thing, I just like a little bit of a kick heat. And I kind of like the vinegar sort of flavor of the hot sauce. I'm just going to do a little sprinkle of that. And like 2 shakes of Worcestershire. I don't want it to be overpowering. I just want it to be a little something in the background that makes you go, there's something in there. Hold that thought. Oh, never mind. I'm okay. I'm back on. We're happy now. Elmo's there. Elmo's your friend. Elmo is a friend to every mother. Let me tell you what. And stay-at-home dad. Okay, and that is pretty much it. I'm not, what do I do with my fork? There's my fork. Let me taste it. Make sure that my seasonings are okay. Let's go. Now, again, like I said, if you like onions in yours, you can absolutely dice up an onion, throw it in there. if you're looking to make it a meal in itself, some celery, throw that in there too. Again, I'm a texture person. I don't necessarily want that crunch in with my chicken salad. I like a little smoother. But I don't like pickles either and things. I don't know, relish and don't like that. But you could add that in here as well. You could go with a dill to keep it more savory. You could go with a sweet relish. Watch the carbs on that if you want to do that. What I will most likely do with this is I will serve it up in celery ribs and eat it that way. Like, I don't mind my crunch being separate from what I'm eating, but I don't like it mixed in. So that's most likely what I'm going to do. That's going to probably be lunch for me today. So yeah, that is stupid simple. It's mayonnaise, mustard, a squeeze of Italian seasoning, and a shake or two of Worcestershire and hot sauce. I might do a little more hot sauce because I like a little more of that. But that's it. It's just sort of put in what flavors you like at this point. So I'm gonna plate that up. And give that a try on some celery ribs. Alrighty, hold on and I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, so I pulled up my celery ribs to take a look at those, to put some chicken salad in it. And honestly, they are the saddest looking little celery ribs. There's like no space in the center. So, I'm not gonna fill it with anything. I'm just gonna dip it. So, I'm kind of wishing now that I'd done my chicken a little smaller shred, but that's okay. And honestly, this doesn't need any salt. The mayonnaise and the mustard and everything else was salted enough. But happy baby noises. That's always good. That's really good. And that makes a great lunch recipe. Make ahead. Little ribs of celery. That's really good. So, easy chicken salad. This one kind of has a Italian flavor to it. It's so pretty. If you don't like the Italian herbs, the basil and the oregano and stuff, you could always do dill. If you like more of a Spanish flavor, cilantro would be really good. So yeah, simple and easy. Well, I finally got it done after 2 days. I finally got my chicken salad made. I do have another chicken salad recipe that's actually a family recipe that I will do for you guys at a later date. Came from my mama. She would bake the chicken in sherry and use the leftover juice and everything. So it's awesome. But I'll do that at a different time. So we will talk to you later, and I'm gonna go sit with my monkey and watch Elmo sing and dance with Abby the fairy. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.